Patience feels useless until it suddenly changes everything. Most people do not fail financially because they lack intelligence. They fail because their brain was never designed to understand how growth really works. And once you see this mistake, you will start noticing it everywhere. Most real progress in life looks invisible. Like bamboo. For years, it barely grows above the ground. If you walk past it every day, it looks like nothing is happening. But underground, the roots are expanding, strength is building, preparing for something dramatic. And then suddenly, the bamboo shoots upward faster than anyone expects, sometimes several meters in just a few weeks. Wealth often behaves the same way, but most people quit right before the real growth begins. For most of human history, survival required simple thinking. Work harder, see results. Work more, get more. The brain learned to expect progress in straight lines, but wealth does not grow that way. And that mismatch creates one of the most expensive mistakes in finance. Imagine placing an ice cube in a freezing room. -10 degrees. You slowly warm the room. -5, -2, -1. The temperature is rising, but the ice cube does not change at all. To a linear thinker, this looks like failure. But something critical is happening in the background, because the moment the room reaches 1 degree, everything changes. The ice cube melts. Not because the final degree was magical, but because of all the invisible progress that happened before it. Growth behaves often like fire. At first, it is just a small flame, quiet, almost harmless. But as it spreads, it creates heat, and that heat creates more fire. Soon, momentum takes over. Wealth grows the same way. Now, imagine a simple choice. Option 1, $1 million today. Option 2, a single coin that doubles in value every day for 31 days. Most people choose the $1 million because the coin looks insignificant, but something surprising happens. After 20 days, that coin is worth only a few $1,000s, still nowhere near $1 million. So the patient person looks foolish, but during the final week, everything changes. By day 31, that small coin becomes worth more than $10 million, 10 times the $1 million option, because growth does not move in straight lines, it accelerates. Financial patience is not waiting for things to happen. It is continuing the process when it looks like nothing is happening, because the most powerful phase of growth always appears near the end. The greatest threat to wealth is not market crashes, it's impatience, quitting just before momentum begins. But patience alone is still not enough, because even the most patient investor can fail if they lack one final skill: consistency. In the next episode, we explore why showing up repeatedly is the real engine behind long-term wealth.